thank you so much for contacting us here at Ritchie Autos at Ritchie Cadillac. This is our 16 Cascada. We just got it in. It hasn't been cleaned or serviced yet. I'm sorry. It's been through the shop, but has not been cleaned or detailed yet. And I've got the factory sticker for the car. This is the factory sticker for the car of what it came with. I don't believe that it has memory seats. It's got power lumbar, easy entry system, heated seats, navigation. It doesn't say anything about memory seats on it, and they're not on the door or on the seat. But this is Chuck Cohen at Ritchie Autos. If you have any other questions or would like any other additional information, please give me a call. It's 386-236-5103. or my cell number is 386-341-9707. And thank you so much for contacting us, and I look forward to hearing from you.